สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Speaking Thai A1 The Foundation. I am Naris, your Thai teacher, and I am currently living in Koh Samui. In this course, we are not just only focused on grammar usage or gaining new vocabulary. Every single lesson has been designed and provided as I teach individually in my private courses, which include video explanation, practice, cultural insights, and my step by step guidance for you to be able to use on your daily basis. Moreover, the core of this course is the video full explanation, which you will experience how to pronounce each tone and learn how to speak in the full sentence with Thai pattern. Moreover, in this course, I also provide you the interactive games, the quizzes for each lesson. So after the lessons, you will do the revision by playing the games. And I will show you how to play the game and the example of our quizzes at the end of this video. So whether you are an expat, traveler, living with family here or work here, or you are passionate to learn my language, the Thai language, this course is for you to get started. This is the foundation that you should know before you gaining more vocabulary or learn more complex topics. We'll start from the pronunciation, the sentence structure, how to form basic sentences in order to explain yourself, learn some linking words, how to ask question, how to answer question, how to greet in Thai, how to speak politely. All right? So, if you are ready, let's get into it, and I am looking forward to see you in the lessons. Let's have a look at the quizzes. Here, an example of what you will see in the course. First, before you start the interactive games, I have the introductions for you to do a quick revision first. Once you start learning game, the first one that will be true or false. I give you some statements and you have to think if it's true or false. All right, you can check the meanings, you can check the answer, or you can restart the game. Next one, that will be build of phrases. That will be the phrase provided for you in English, and you have to arrange the words of order to review the Thai structure. You can check if it's correct or not. And next one is multiple choice. That will be question, and you have to choose one of the four choices. And that will be the overall progress here. You can check your vocabulary mastery. There will be progress from 100%, and that will show you as well which words from the lesson that you have started or you haven't started yet. So this is an example of the quizzes that you are going to see to do the revision after the lessons that you learn. ขอบคุณมากๆนะคะ Thank you so much, and I am looking forward to see you in the lessons.